India has condemned the use of lethal violence by Myanmar's military troops, which has caused bloodshed and loss of life. This as the country urges for the release of detained leaders.
Condemn any use of violence. We believe that the rule of law should be prevailed. We stand for the restoration of democracy in Myanmar. We have urged the release of political prisoners and supported any attempts at resolving the current situation, including through the efforts of ASEAN. We remain engaged on this issue with our international interlocutors and at the United Nations Security Council in an effort to play a balanced and constructive role.
India's External Affairs Ministry has also said that the rule of law should prevail and called for political prisoners to be released. India also clarified its stance on the migrant influx issue. The issue of Myanmar citizens entering India while fleeing violence in Myanmar is being dealt with, quote, as per our laws and humanitarian considerations. Remember, after the United Nations closed-door meeting, India's permanent representative to the UN, Ambassador T.S. Tirumurthy, had tweeted his remarks. He stressed on India's steadfast commitment to democratic transition in Myanmar. He added that during the meeting, he emphasized on the situation to be resolved peacefully and the need for greater engagement, meet the hopes and aspirations of the people, and extend assistance to Rakhine State Development Program.